opportunity to participate in the discussion on the third batch of demands for grant for the year 2025 and 2026 relating to roads and building, commercial taxes, excise, tourism and culture, forest and environment, administration of religious endowments, and sports and youth services, school education, higher education, and technical education, sir. Sir, now, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir. Sir, I know that the moment I started, I noticed you watching and seeing the watch, sir. No, sir.
मैंने टाइम तो लिखना पड़ता ना.
जी हाँ सर, वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ सर. You're absolutely right, sir. I'm not questioning on that. I just noticed that you were looking at the watch. But what I'm trying to say is that, sir, earlier whenever the demand used to come, there used to be 3 subjects, sir, or maximum 4. But now, if you have to see the paper, sir, almost 11 demands are there. Sir, if 11 demands are there, and if I speak 10 to 15 minutes also, you can imagine it would be 120 minutes.
2 hours.
2 hours, sir. So I hope that at least you'll give me 10 minutes to speak on one demand, sir. If not 15 minutes, sir. Sir, I mean, I'm trying to be very realistic, sir. Because, sir, if you have to have a healthy and a successful democracy, you have to have that patience of listening and tolerance of taking the criticism and then coming up. But here, sir, what is happening is that we just want to fulfill and complete the constitutional obligation or the responsibility of having a discussion. Taking up 10, 10, 11, 11 subjects, sir. And, sir, one more important thing, sir. Sir, when we discuss on the demands, sir, we do not get all the demands at one time, sir. एक वक्त 3-4 आते, फिर एक 4-5 आते, फिर बोले, अरे इसका नहीं आया, कहाँ है इसका डिमांड कहाँ है बोले, तो फिर वो आता, sir. Sir, without seeing those books, how can we come and participate? Sir, speaking in big public meetings or speaking on streets, speaking in grounds, is different from the speaking that has to be done in the house, sir. Those are purely political speeches. Here it is mostly based on statistics, sir, and reports, sir. So that is why, sir, I request, sir, when I'm starting, sir, I request you, sir, it is very tough for me also, sir.
रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं दी है, मगर ये इतना है कि हर मेंबर का तो एक टाइम तो लिखना.
Sir, every member, sir, I'll tell you, sir, every member is speaking mostly.
रिकॉर्ड तो रहना पड़ता.
Sir, I have been listening right from the initiation of this discussion on the demands. Most of the members have spoken only on education, sir. But I am speaking on the entire batch, sir. Entire batch. And I request that 10 minutes. And sir, it is tough for me also, sir, to speak so long, sir. Sir, firstly, sir, I have a problem with my stomach. I don't have intestines. And it is very tough to speak, sir, but still I try to fulfill my duties, sir. And secondly, sir, it is tough because this is a Ramzan time. Sir, we are fasting, we cannot even have a drop of water, no food. But still, I do not want to mix sir, I do not want to mix my health or my religious belief with my responsibility. But my only submission is that, sir, kindly give us some sufficient time so that we could really do justice and we could really do justice to the people who have sent us here to do a specific duty of, welcoming the good decisions of the government and criticizing the wrongdoings of the government, sir. Sir, so starting from roads and buildings, sir. Sir, demand. Now I have seen my watch, sir. So the demands for grant for roads and building department is rupees 5,904 crores in the next financial year budget. So the regional Ring Road RRR envisages connecting 2 national highways, one on the northern side and other on the southern side, with total length of 348 kilometers with an outlay of 26,502 crores. So the northern road from Sangareddy, Tupran, Gajwel and Chotuppal, and southern road runs from Chotuppal, Shadnagar and Sangareddy. Initially, it will be a 4-lane highway initially and expanded to 8 lanes. The state has to bear 50% of the land acquisition. Road and rupees 1,525 crores has been allocated for the purpose in the current year's budget and a similar amount in the next year's budget. Sir, I would like the government to announce the time frame for the completion of the crucial project with central assistance, sir. So construction of a camp office cum residential residence complexes for the MLAs has been taken up in 104 assembly constituencies across the state, and all these works are completed, sir. However, the work of these camp office residence complexes are not taken up in 15 assembly constituencies in Hyderabad districts since sites are not finalized, sir. Sir, I would like to point out that the government land parcels are available in each of the 15 constituencies in twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad and the GHMC limits, sir. Suitable sites can be chosen for the locating the camp offices, sir. I would once again urge the government to take up the work of camp offices for city MLAs without further delay, sir. Due to the persistent effort of the state government, the central government has finally granted approval for a long pending construction of Mamnoor Airport in Warangal, sir. Sir, I may recall that the state government proposed 6 regional airports as Mamnoor, Basantnagar, Jakranpalli, Adilabad, Devarakadra and Palwancha. However, the consultancy agency, Airport Authority of India, has indicated feasibility only for Mamnoor, Jarkampalli and Adilabad and reported that the airport at Basantnagar, Devarakadra and Palwancha are not feasible, sir. Sir, I would request the RNB Minister, Mr. Komatreddy Saab, to clarify on these new airports, sir. Sir, now coming to the second subject, sir. This is about the commercial tax and administration, sir. The commercial tax department is a major revenue earning department of the state. It contributes about 63% of the state's own tax revenue, SOTR, sir. So the department and its administration, the GST Act, the Central Tax Act and Telangana Value Added Tax, apart from Professional Tax Act, sir. However, the commercial tax department tabled the demand and the outcome document consisting of only 9 and 4 pages, sir. सिर्फ 9 पेजेस, सर. इतना बड़ा डिपार्टमेंट. दिस इज व्हाई आई से, सर, कि अगर हम डिस्कशन भी नहीं करेंगे ना, सर, तो थोड़े दिन में ये बुक्स भी टेबल करना खत्म हो जाते, सर. So that is why I am very particular कि I have to speak just few sentences also, but I make sure कि I should speak on every subject, sir. That is very important, sir. अब आप देखें, सर, बजट का हमको दिए, पहले वो बुक प्रिंट करके देते थे. अब क्या कर रहे हैं, सर? बुक्स भी नहीं दे रहे, सर. खाली एक पेन ड्राइव कैसा दे रहे हैं, सर. ठीक है, पैसे बचा रहे हैं, अच्छा है, बचाइए, फार्मर्स को दीजिए, कल्याण लक्ष्मी में गोल्ड को दीजिए, सही है. बट यू नो, सर, व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट कि वी हैव टू गो, like, you know, there's a famous printing presses there, sir, Pragati printing press is there. So my team and myself, I go there and I request them, और हम हमारे पैसों से books print करा रहे हैं, सर, पूरे. So now you see, sir. Sir, this is not a really healthy sign that is happening, sir. Sir, I do not have any problem sitting till 12 o'clock, sir. But sir, every human, हर इंसान का एक focus time होता, sir. Concentration का time होता, और उसकी तवज्जो का time होता है. Sir, अगर मैं 12 बजे तक बैठता हूं, तो क्या focus रहेगा, क्या concentration रहेगा, सुनने वाला क्या सुनेगा, sir, देखने वाला क्या देखेगा, और उसके बाद दूसरे दिन पेपर में क्या आएगा. Sir, earlier, sir, we used to have, you know, sir, 8:30 the assembly used to start, and 1.5 hours, 2 hours we used to finish the question hour, half an hour, 0 hour, and then we used to have a short discussion, 3 or 4 discussions, and after that we used to have, you know, again we used to go for, you know, demands and all. 2 बजे खत्म करते थे, sir. If required for the government bills, we used to meet again at 4 o'clock. एक 10 बजे तक चलता था, 9 बजे तक. बट आज क्या है, सर? सुबह जो शुरू हो जा रहा है, सर, चल रहा रात के 12 बजे तक. Sir, what is important is, you know, sir, the focus. the concentration, the importance. अब ऐसा लंबा चलेगा तो who will have the interest, sir? And now we see, sir, what is it, sir? Only 9 and 4 pages respectively, sir. While the demand spells out the demand for grants for the department, the outcome budget contains just one table, sir. Just one table on the revenue performance. That is the year-on-year gross revenue earned by the department. It does not give any details of the budget estimate, revised estimate and actual receipt on the GST, CST and VAT Act. कोई detail नहीं है, sir. There is no detail, sir. GST, CST and VAT. Sir, it is a very, very important role which the legislatures play and the House plays, sir. But the role of legislature and the role of assembly is getting reduced, sir. Sir, it is very sad, sir. To review the functioning of the major department, one has to have a glance through various budget volumes, such as Volume 2, Detailed Estimate of Revenue and Receipt, Volume 3/4, Revenue, and Volume 6, Budget in Brief, sir. Sir, apart from the GST collections, the Commercial Tax Department collection under the VAT, State VAT Acts from petroleum products, gas, and diesel and petrol, the liquor products aggregate to rupees 29,941 crores in the year 23-24 financial year, and the budget estimate and revised estimate for the current year is rupees 33,209 crores. The budget estimate for the year 2025 and 26 is rupees 37,205 crores. Whenever the retail price of gas, petrol and diesel go up, the Telangana ministers blame the central government and seeks rollback in central levies on petroleum products, sir. Similarly, the BJP ministers and leaders from the state quite frequently ask the state government to reduce the high levies of VAT on the petroleum products. Even as the Congress and the BJP leaders cross words on taxes levied by the central and state government on petroleum product, the people are suffering, sir. A huge burden not only due to these higher prices, but the rise in prices of all commodities due to higher transport charges, sir. Sir, I urge, sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, I urge the Commercial Tax Department to come up with more detailed data and information on its performance in demand note and the outcome budget, sir. It is very important. They need to come out, sir. Sir, अगर details नहीं देंगे, तफसीलात नहीं देंगे, so what are we going to see and what are we going to discuss? Fine, sir. But still, this House has many members who read, who study, who do homework, and who come prepared for a discussion, sir. It is not that the entire House, nobody is interested. No, everybody comes with the interest of studying, doing homework, and having a healthy debate, sir. So I request, sir, that more details should be published, sir. And मैं ये भी कहूँगा कि महंगाई बढ़ते जा रही है, महंगाई बढ़ रही है, पेट्रोल, डीजल, गैस की कीमतें बढ़ती जा रही हैं, वादे तो बहुत किए जाते हैं, लेकिन कोई कुछ कम नहीं करता है। एक गरीब का जीना मुश्किल हो चुका है। आखिर एक गरीब जिए तो कैसे जिएगा? Sir, now coming to Central Excise Administration, sir, the state excise is the second big source of revenue to the state government, sir. However, following the footsteps of Commercial Taxes Department, the Excise Department also provides a very brief. इसमें भी अगर when we see, sir, it's a very brief 5-page demand note and a 5-page outcome budget on its activities, sir. Sir, I'm in this house from last 26 years, sir. लेकिन ये excise administration पे ऐसी किताब आती थी, sir. क्योंकि sir, this is the second big source of revenue of the state government, sir. Second, और उसको अब आप देखिए, sir, only 5 pages, sir. 5-page demand note and 5-page outcome budget. Why I don't understand, sir, why are they hiding the other details? And why are they not publishing all the other details? Why are they not doing the complete detailed report being tabled, sir, in demand? Why are they not doing it? This is not a healthy sign, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir, you should take a note, sir. मैं आपसे दरख्वास्त कर रहा हूं कि आप इसका नोट लेकर आपके ऑफिस से ये सारे लोगों को लेटर्स देना, सर, कि तफसील देने के लिए. So whether one reads or not, but we should not lose the parliamentary practices, sir. Sir, again we have to, sir, इसमें again what we had to do was we have to refer, sir, because I know, so यहाँ पे 5 पेज है, नहीं तो कहीं और मिलेगा. So I had to go and refer to the volume 2, sir, and volume 3/4 and volume 6 of the budget document to cull out all the data and the performance of this department, sir. जबकि मुझे यहां पे नहीं मिला, but I have to go. I had to go in the budget document, sir. Fine, sir. I know that I had to go there, so I went there, sir. So the budget estimate for the next financial year is, the state excise revenue received total at rupees 20,299 crores in the year 2023 and 24, and the budget estimate revised estimate for the current year is rupees 25,618 crores. The budget estimate for the next financial year is rupees 27,623 crores, sir. Both the Telangana and AP are competing for #1 slot as the state with highest consumption of liquor, leaving Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Bihar and the southern neighboring far behind, sir. Far behind, sir. Sir, I am tempted to say that the name of the department, sir, Prohibition and Excise Department. Sir, ये कहाँ जाता है, sir? Prohibition and I really don't know, sir. Prohibition है कहाँ, sir, इसमें? Prohibition कहाँ है, sir? So I have always been saying, sir, you know, Mr. Moore, and it should be renamed as
ఉండాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుతాను అధ్యక్ష.
Excise Department. I hope the government will take a note on this, sir. Prohibition तो है ही नहीं, sir. इतना ज्यादा second highest revenue आता है government को इससे. पी रहे पिला रहे हैं, सर. और इलेक्शन का टाइम आता है, छोटे इलेक्शंस आते हैं, बड़े इलेक्शन, सर, इतना कंजम्पशन बढ़ जाता है, हर कोई पैसे बांटता है और शराब बिकती है, लुटती है और लोग पीते हैं, रेवेन्यू बढ़ता है. तो प्रोहिबिशन कहां है, सर? लेट अस नेम इट एज एन एक्साइज, सर. सर, देयर इज नो locality in any municipal area and no village free from the menace of alcoholism promoted by the liberal and unabashed and consumption of the liquor, sir. Sir, I may point out, मैं बोलना चाहूंगा, सर, के कांग्रेस के दौर में कोटला विजयभास्कर रेड्डी साहब जब थे 1993 में, सर, द एंटी लिकर एंड एंटी अराक मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हुआ था, सर, बाय अ वुमन, सर, बाय अ वुमन एंड अ लेडी, सर. दुबा गुंटा in Nellore district in United AP.
Sir,
Forcing the government to impose ban on Arex, sir. तो उसके बाद में हुआ ये, सर, टीडीपी गवर्नमेंट आई, एनटीआर तो उन्होंने टोटल प्रोहिबिशन दे दिए, लेकिन उसके बाद में चंद्रबाबू नायडू साहब आए तो फौरन आने के बाद टोटल प्रोहिबिशन को निकाल दिए, सर. Sir, the liquor sales are flourishing in both in Telangana and AP after the bifurcation in 2014. Prohibition has become a taboo word, sir, now. Every ruling party seems to have to promote liquor consumption to take in huge revenues without caring for the health of the people and well-being of the society. Even while promoting liquor consumption in a big way, the government earlier used to take up publicity campaigning for prohibition, sir. And even this token commitment for prohibition is totally missing now, sir. Sir, इसमें पहले से I am seeing, sir, my learned senior friend Harish Rao साहब भी है, साहब यहाँ पे, sir, way back in 99, 2000, 2004, sir. Sir, ये इसमें क्या करते थे, sir? They used to have one amount which they used to spend on, having a publicity campaign for prohibition, sir. शराब पीने से क्या होता है, कैसे नुकसान होता है, prohibition करो, शराब नहीं पियो, इससे ये होता, ऐसे होता है, उसके लिए एक अमाउंट होता था, sir. But now when I see, sir, not a single paisa is getting spent on these campaigning, sir. Why are we not doing, sir? We should do it, sir. At least हमारा काम है. Sir, when we take a cigarette packet, in that cigarette packet also it is written, smoking causes cancer, smoking, damages your lung. ऐसे रहता है, sir. तो ये शराब में ये इसके लिए इसकी कैंपेनिंग के लिए जो फंड है, इसको क्यों इस्तेमाल नहीं हो रहा है, sir? So the excise department outcome budget points out that there are 2,620 retail liquor outlets, 1,176 bars and 39 in-house licensed clubs, apart from 8,238 toddy compounds in the state. And sir, when I talk about this, sir, I would also like to come on record and say this pub culture, sir, in all metros, and the pub culture also needs to be monitored, sir. Pub culture should also be regulated, sir. New regulation needs to be enforced. And you know what is happening, sir? These pubs are having a heavy music, and these pubs are the main source for providing also not only just liquor, sir. They are also providing drugs to the youngsters, sir. छोटी टैबलेट दे रहे हैं, पाउडर दे रहे हैं, इससे पूरी जिंदगी खराब हो रही है. Sir, I mean, this pub culture should have new regulations, and some checks should be there, and you know there has to be some timings for that. And also, sir, a police department needs to have a strong check on this pub, sir, in the metros. Our future generation, हमारी नौजवान नस्ल, हमारे nation का future, the youngsters are getting spoiled, sir. We need to have a new regulation in this, sir, and I would say that we need to have a debate on this subject so that we can bring in some new regulations and try to control this, sir. So, however, it's an open fact that the so-called bell shops are functioning everywhere in the village and municipal areas across the state, sir. Every political parties, you know, they talk about bell shop, closure of bell shops. But sir, the fact remains is that, sir, कि हर विलेज में हर जगह पर bell shops है, sir. As an optimist, and I would request the government to work towards achieving the Gandhian goal of total prohibition by phasing out the liquor consumption in the state, sir. Total prohibition should be brought, sir. It is the demand which I want to make. I want to make the demand on behalf of my party, MIM, and also on behalf of every woman of this state, sir, who is suffering because of this liquor, sir. Every woman is suffering. Every mother is suffering. Every sister is suffering. Every daughter is suffering. Every wife is suffering because of this liquor, sir. औरत पे जुल्म होता है तो एक शराब पी कर जुल्म करता है. तो मैं कहूंगा कि शराब पे मुकम्मल पाबंदी आनी चाहिए, sir. So going further ahead, sir, on the next subject, sir, this is tourism, art and culture, sir. Sir, I welcome the new tourism culture 2025 and 2030 announced by the government recently, sir. The policy aims to increase the tourism sector contributing to GSDP to 10%, attracting rupees 15,000 crore investment and generating 3 lakh job opportunities in the sector for in the next 5 years, sir. The new policy seeks to attract 10 crores domestic tourists and 5 lakh international tourists, making Telangana among the top 5 states in the tourism arrival in the country. So the detail furnished in the outcome budget shows that during the calendar year 24, 8 crores 82 lakhs 39,675 domestic tourists and 1,55,303 foreign tourists visited the state, sir. Sir, it's a very big number, sir. 8 crores, 82 lakhs, 39,675 domestic tourists, sir. Sir, what are we doing, sir? Sir, I welcome the tourism policy which has been declared by the government. But sir, at the same time, there is so much to be discussed. Sir, tourism policy introduced हुई और उसके बाद में वो pass भी हो गई. But unfortunately, we couldn't have a discussion on that, sir. We couldn't have a discussion. Sir, मैं आपसे बोलूंगा, sir, the highest number of 9 crores 28 lakhs 78,329 domestic tourist arrivals were reported in 2018. The highest number of, sir, 3 crores 23 lakhs, 3,23,326 foreign tourist arrival was reported in 2018, sir. How many, sir? 3,23,326. Thereafter, sir, both the domestic and foreign tourist arrivals declined during 2020 and 2022 due to COVID, sir. I hope that the new tourism policy will achieve its objective and Telangana will emerge as among top tourist destinations in the country, sir. I also welcome the decision of Telangana government to host the 72 Miss World pageant with participation of 140 countries across the globe during May this year, sir. तो ये जो हो रहा है ना, sir, इसका भी मैं welcome करता हूं, sir. But at the same time, before going on this Miss World pageant, sir, competition, I would like to bring to the notice of Honorable Minister Saab, sir. So the tourist places in Telangana, sir, religious places, temple, mosque and churches, sir. The number is 59, sir. Sir, and then art and crafts, sir, number of places are 5, festivals are 5, tour packages are 20, heritage walk is through, river cruise is 13, boating are 13 places, sir, and banquets are 9, sound and light show are only 2, sir, nature discovery 29, forts are 13, wildlife is only 5. Sir, if we have to see, we can improve in this wildlife, sir. Sir, if we have to also see sound and light show, we have only 2 sound and light shows. Can't we increase the sound and light shows to more numbers, sir? We can do, sir, and we have to do. And I was trying to search the details and tourism policy, sir. It is not there, sir. Sir, now the Charminar, which I always keep talking about, sir, the Charminar pedestrianization project, sir, we need to protect the monument, sir. Sir, Charminar को देखने के लिए हजारों नहीं लाखों लोग आ रहे हैं, sir. And that particular area, I would say, sir, Charminar, मछली कमान, ये कमान, गुलजार हाउस, एक 4 कमान, पूरे कमान है, सर. तो वहां पे कमान को हम ब्यूटिफाई करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, फतरगट्टी को हम ब्यूटिफाई करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, सर. देन द हाई कोर्ट इज देयर, द हाई कोर्ट वुड बी शिफ्टिंग, सर. आई डोंट नो व्हाट द गवर्नमेंट इज प्लानिंग टू मेक हाई कोर्ट, बट सर वहां हाई कोर्ट वहां से जा रहा है तो हाई कोर्ट की बिल्डिंग वेकेंट होगी. तो क्या हाई कोर्ट की बिल्डिंग में, सर, माय सजेशन, माय रिक्वेस्ट इज दैट, सर, वी हैव निजाम्स ज्वेलरी, सर. Nizam's jewelry, which is there with the government of India. The state government can, sir, talk to the government of India and say that this Nizam's jewelry is the heritage of the Telangana and Hyderabad. Kindly return this to us. We will protect this, and as per the regulated norms, we'll have all the security systems, and let this jewelry be brought to Hyderabad and exhibited, sir. सर, अगर हाई कोर्ट की जो शिफ्ट हो रहा है वहां पे निजाम की ज्वेलरी अगर हम ला लेते हैं, वहां पे रखते हैं, तो आई थिंक इट विल इंक्रीज द टूरिज्म, सर. और एक तरफ आपको हाई कोर्ट के पास निजाम के ज्वेलरी का एक रहेगा मरकज, और दूसरी तरफ, सर, व्हाट विल बी इज कि दूसरी तरफ में सालारजंग म्यूजियम इज देयर, सर. तो सालारजंग म्यूजियम इज वन मैन्स कलेक्शन, सर. वी हैव टू इंप्रूव द सालारजंग म्यूजियम ऑल्सो, सर. सर, वी हैव टू इंप्रूव द गोलकुंडा फोर्ट ऑल्सो. सर, गोलकुंडा फोर्ट की इंप्रूवमेंट के लिए हम बोल रहे हैं, सर. ट्रैम्प के लिए बात कर रहे हैं. 7 टूम्स आगा खान फाउंडेशन इज डूइंग अ वंडरफुल वर्क. Sir, I have always thanked the Aga Khan Foundation. Today also, I would like to thank the Aga Khan Foundation who has taken up the wonderful work, sir, which they are doing, sir. Sir, हम उसके बाद में कुतुब शाही टूम्स के लिए बोले हैं, सर. काकतिया कलाथोरम के लिए भोनगिर फोर्ट है, सर. भोनगिर फोर्ट इन नलगुंडा, हमारे कोमटिरेड्डी साहब है भोनगिर फोर्ट में, उसको भी इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं, भोनगिर के फोर्ट को. सर, पाइगा टूम्स आर देयर इन ओल्ड सिटी, सर, in Yakutpura constituency, that can also be improved, sir. और उसमें, sir, we have so many, sir. If you see, sir, if you see, there is one beautiful mosque, Spanish mosque. When we used to go to Begumpet airport को हम जाते थे, sir, तो हम जब इधर रानीगंज से आते हैं और बेगमपेट एयरपोर्ट को राइट मुड़ने से पहले लेफ्ट पे we used to see one beautiful Spanish mosque is there. Sir, ऐसे बहुत सारे हैं, sir. Sir, this mosque is marvelous, I would say, sir. And Spanish architecture, sir. This mosque was built in 1906, sir. Sir, यादगिरी गुट्टा का टेम्पल का है, वो भी मैं कहूंगा उसको और कर सकते हैं. 1000 pillar temple is there, sir. भद्राचलम temple is there. श्री राजा राजेश्वर टेम्पल इज देयर, सर. इसको भी हम इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं. रामन्ना टेम्पल इज देयर. बिरला मंदिर इज देयर, सर. बिरला मंदिर के नीचे, सर, देयर इज वन स्मॉल म्यूजियम which nobody knows about it. It's again a one person's collection, sir. Beautiful collection is there. We can improve that also, include that, sir. Sir, also Basara, sir, Saraswati temple, goddess of knowledge, sir. She is the goddess of knowledge, sir. Nalakunda Palli, sir, famous birthplace of Bhakta Ramadasu, sir. Sri Ramadasu, who built the Sita Ramchandra Swami temple at Bhadrachalam, sir. Sir, इसको भी develop कर सकते हैं, sir. Then the Makkah Masjid, sir, the Makkah Masjid also can be developed, and then Medak Church is there, sir. So ऐसे there are many tourism places, sir, and moreover, sir, Lad Bazaar, sir. What is Lad Bazaar, sir? Sir, Hyderabad is famous for Charminar, and also they call it the city of pearls, sir. Bangles बोलते हैं, sir. खुरबानी के मीठे का बोलते हैं सर, बिरयानी बोलते हैं सर. Sir, so I mean, we have to just see about Lal Bazaar, sir. That I was requesting, sir, चंडीगढ़ में गए थे सर, वहां पे पूरा गोल्डन टेम्पल के पास ब्यूटिफिकेशन कर दिए, फसाड ला दिए, क्लीन कर दिए. तो सेम फसाड कैन बी बी डेवलप्ड फॉर द लाल बाजार, सर. And one more alternate Lal Bazaar can be created in Golconda, sir, which we were requesting, sir. Golconda Fort में सर निजाम ट्रस्ट का लैंड है. I spoke to myself and Mr. Kausar. We spoke to the Nizam Trust people. They have given an NOC stating that you can have a shopping complex here, you can have a Lal Bazaar here. We have also requested for, sir, there was old heritage walk, वो गोलकुंडा फोर्ट के पास जहां पे हीरे बिकते थे सर, हीरा खाना इज देयर सर, उसको डेवलप करने के लिए. और वो केबल के लिए कौन सा स्काई केबल सर, स्काई केबल वॉक के राइट सर, वहां पर डालने के लिए भी बोले सर. पुराना एक था सर, जो लोग वहां से चल के जाते थे और ट्रेडिंग करते थे, उसको डेवलप कर सकते हैं. सो वी हैव बीन रिक्वेस्टिंग फॉर दैट सर, एंड दिस हैज नॉट बीन टेकन अप sir. Bhimuni, Peddam waterfalls are there, sir. There are so many waterfalls are also there, sir, in the state of Telangana, and also wildlife are there, sir. Like sir, when I talk about this waterfalls, we have also one more waterfall by the name Gayatri waterfall, sir. Sir, Nirmal, sir, Nirmal ke handicraft. Sir, हम बचपने में निर्मल जाते थे sir, along with my father. He used to go for the public meetings and all. So we used to go to Nirmal and all. So we used to see that Nirmal ke handicraft, so beautiful handicrafts are there, sir. Sir, Nirmal से हम आगे जब जाते हैं sir, तो वो घाट एरिया है sir, निर्मल घाटी का वो घाट एरिया है. वहां पर भी sir इतना टेम्परेचर sir, in peak summers also the weather is so beautiful. Sir, we can take up the tourism there, sir. We also have Karamari Ghat, Asifabad Ghat, so beautiful ghats are there. We can also include this in the tourism policy, sir. Sir, but we are not doing, sir. And also Anandgiri, sir. Sir, आपके पास आनंदगिरी के बारे में आप जानते हैं सर, कि वहां पे टीबी का हॉस्पिटल था. और टीबी का हॉस्पिटल क्यों था सर? सर, वहां पे कोई दवा नहीं देते थे सर, कुछ नहीं देते थे सर. सिर्फ वहां पे जो झाड़ थे, वो झाड़ की हवा से एक टीबी का पेशेंट अच्छा हो जाता था सर. इतना ब्यूटीफुल सर. सर ये आई मीन वी हैव टू सी. एंड सर, आप जानते हैं सर, वैकाराबाद में कि
अनंतगिरी की हवा लाखों की दवा.
देखिए साहब, सी सर, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सर. तो सर वो हवा में जो ऐसे चीजें थी जिससे हेल्दीनेस हो जाता था, एक टीबी का पेशेंट के ट्यूबरकुलोसिस का खत्म हो जाता था सर. तो इसलिए मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूं सर, कि लोग बोलते हैं गंडीपेट का पानी मीठा रहता, उसका मजा अलग रहता. एक वक्त गंडीपेट का पानी पी लिया तो वो हैदराबाद को नहीं छोड़ता. सर, गंडीपेट का पानी मीठा कहां से हुआ सर? आपके पास से होता है ऑनरेबल स्पीकर साहब. वो आनंदगिरी से. मूसी कहां से स्टार्ट होती है? हम मूसी की ये बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन मूसी ओरिजिनेट्स फ्रॉम आपके पास से सर, वहां से ऊपर से आनंदगिरी हिल से. और आनंदगिरी के हिल्स के जो झाड़ हैं, जो जिनका आयुर्वेदिक इंपॉर्टेंस है, जिनका होम्योपैथी इंपॉर्टेंस है, इतने अच्छे हेल्दी झाड़ है, वो झाड़ों में से बारिश का पानी बहता हुआ वैकाराबाद से होता हुआ जब गंडीपेट को आता है, तो उसमें एक अलग मिठास आ जाती है. तो इसलिए लोग कहते हैं कि गंडीपेट के पानी की मिठास अलग है सर. सो वी कैन डेवलप दिस टूरिज्म सर. So this is very important, sir. And also there are many dargahs are there, sir. दरगाह के लिए कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे सर टूरिज्म पॉलिसी में. सरदार महल को बनाने की बात कर रहे थे ओल्ड सिटी में, वो भी नहीं हुआ. चारमीनार pedestrianization project, I always keep talking about two subjects, sir. And people used to say कि अरे क्या अकबर साहब ये दो सब्जेक्ट पर ही बोलते हैं. वो वहां पे बैठते मीडिया वाले, they used to say always Akbar Owaisi talks about one is work properties, the second is Charminar pedestrianization. देखो साहब, इतना बोलने के बाद भी ना वर्क प्रॉपर्टीज बचते हैं, ना ही जो है चारमीनार पेडिस्ट्राइजेशन प्रोजेक्ट होता है. सर, पार्किंग कॉम्प्लेक्सेस, जीएचएमसी ओल्ड बस स्टैंड, ओल्ड पेंशन ऑफिस, चौमेला सर, खुर्शीद जा द्योड़ी सो ब्यूटीफुल सर. मिरालम टैंक को डेवलप करने के बाद 7 टूम्स गोलकुंडा सर, पाएगा टूम सर. तो मैं ये दो हॉकर ब्रिजेस का बात है सर, चारमीनार पेडिस्ट्राइजेशन में. आई होप दैट द गवर्नमेंट would take a serious note on all the subjects, sir. So, and I would also say the estimated cost for coming now to this Miss World pageant, sir, the estimated cost for organizing this prestigious event is £5 million, and the host state has to bear 50% of the cost, that is £2.5 million, rupees 27.75 crores. I feel that the hosting the Miss World 2025 pageant will promote brand Telangana and bring global recognition to the tourism potential of the state, sir. And इसके लिए मुबारकबादी दूंगा सर मैं. So the budgetary allocation for tourism, art and culture demand is rupees 874 crores in the next financial year, covering the Department of Tourism, Department of Heritage, Telangana Archaeology Museum, and Department of Culture. The allocation for tourism include rupees 421 crores for tourism infrastructure and development, and rupees 300 crores for advertising and sales promotion and participation in national and international tourism events, sir. So the budget in March, rupees 1 crore for happening Hyderabad, as this historic city has emerged as a convention capital of India and recognized as one of the major convention destination in South Asia, sir. South Asia, sir. तो मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से ये फिर से दरखास्त करूंगा, रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि टूरिज्म पर खास तवज्जो दीजिए, इसको इंप्रूव करने के लिए, और टूरिज्म के पैकेजेस में दरगाह की जियारतों की पैकेज को भी लीजिए, मंदिरों के पैकेज को भी लीजिए, चर्चेस को भी लीजिए, सर आप गुरुद्वारास को भी लीजिए, और हमारे पारसी है, ज़ोरास्ट्रियन भाई हैं, उनके भी रिलीजियस प्लेसेस को लीजिए. तो सबको अगर आप लेंगे सर, कि वी हैव old temples, we have old mosque here, sir. Sir, going now to the next subject, this is about the forest science, technology and environment. So the allocation for environment, forest science and technology department is 2025-26 budget is rupees 1,023 crores, sir. With 66,64,173 acres of notified forest area, Telangana has 24% of its geographical area under forest, sir. 24%, sir. So we have to improve, sir. Sir, sir, मैं जब फॉरेस्ट की बात कर रहा हूं सर, टूरिज्म में हम जो है सो रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट एरियाज को भी ले सकते हैं सर, डियर पार्क्स को ले सकते हैं. So many deer parks are there. We are not including that also, sir. Sir, the forest area in the state is marginally better than national average. National average is 21.34%, and our percentage of forest area is 24%. Sir, I hope that we protect this 24%, sir. अब हो रहा ये है सर कि खर्च का बोझ बहुत है, सरकारी खजाने में पैसा नहीं है, कोई खर्च नहीं दे रहा है, तो चलो अब क्या करते हैं, तो सरकारी जमीन को बेचते हैं, पैसा लाते हैं, 50,000 करोड़ ला लेंगे, 20,000 करोड़ ला लेंगे. सर मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा सर, लेट अस सेव दिस अर्थ सर. Let us save this earth. Let us save this earth for the coming generation, sir. Let us save the wildlife, sir. Let us protect the waters. Yes, you're doing a wonderful work by protecting the lakes. Yes, we have to protect the lakes, sir. I'm not against that. We have to protect the lakes, sir. But, sir, one thing which is most important is that, sir, कि हम अगर हमारी ग्रीनरी को प्रोटेक्ट नहीं करेंगे, तो फिर environmental changes आएंगे. Global warming is coming, sir. So we are losing, sir. I hope that we would not, just for the sake of money, compromise and risk the future of the children of tomorrow, sir. We have to save the rocks. We have to save the forest. We have to save the lakes, sir. And also most important, sir, just saving the lakes is not important, sir. Sir, मैं एक बात बोलता हूं, sir. सारे लोग हंसेंगे, but I mean, एक हकीकत है, sir. हकीकत है. सर I used to study in Hyderabad Public School, Begumpet, sir. सर हम स्कूल को जाते थे, तो स्कूल को जाते वक्त एक वक्त I had witnessed it with my eyes, sir. हमारी बस ऐसे सामने से निकल गई, हम पीछे देख रहे थे, तो one person was jumping in embankment. वो हमारी बस तो आगे बढ़ गई, RTC बस में I used to go to school, sir. वो गिर गई वहां पे. उसके बाद लोग उसको गए, उसको उठाए, लाए, करे. ठीक है सर, लोग पहले उसको एक सुसाइड पॉइंट, बाद में वो रेलिंग लगाए, उसको बंद करे, सारी चीजें करे सर. बट नाउ सर, आई विल टेल यू वन थिंग, स्टिल पीपल जंप एंड ट्राई टू सुसाइड सर. But what I think, please don't take me wrong, and my sincere apologies also for what I would be saying. सर, कूद के मरने के बजाय खाली जाके एक 4 घूंट पानी मुंह में लेके अंदर डालिए तो मर जाते सर। Sir, this is the crude reality, sir. This is the crude reality. How much of pollution, sir? तो सर ये सारी चीजें ये जरूरी है कि सिर्फ लेक्स को बचाना नहीं है सर। अब वो लेक्स में साफ पानी कितने लेक्स में है सर? अब मैं बोलूंगा तो आपको खराब दिखेगा सर कि लेक प्रोटेक्शन नहीं हो रहा है सर। सीवेज लेक प्रोटेक्शन इज व्हाट इज बीइंग डन बाय द हाइड्रा, आई वुड से। सीवेज जो जाके जमा हो रहा ना तालाब में सर, और वो सीवेज भरने से तालाब का एक्सटेंट बढ़ जा रहा है सर। और इतना बड़ा तालाब सर, साफ पानी है ही नहीं सर उसके अंदर, एंड लेक प्रोटेक्शन की बात की जाती है। एंड व्हेन आई रिमेंबर सर, व्हेन आई वाज स्मॉल, द टैंकबंड में सर, ये टैंकबंड के पास में भी ये रोड नहीं थी सर, नेकलेस रोड नहीं था सर। हम नहीं जा सकते थे सर, यहां से रास्ता ही नहीं था, पूरा पानी पानी था। सेक्रेटेरिएट में हमारे मिनिस्टर साहब बैठते हैं, सर हाउ इज इट स्टिंकिंग सर नाउ, द टैंकबंड इज स्टिंकिंग। कोई बोले थे कि टैंकबंड साफ हो जाएगा, खाली हो जाएगा, उसके वो जापान का फंड लाए, इतना पैसा लाए, ना टैंकबंड साफ हुआ, ना पानी अच्छा हुआ, ना कुछ हुआ सर। सो सर नाउ after the formation of Telangana state, the then BRS government had launched Telangana Ko-Harita Haram program with the objective of increasing green cover from 24 to 33% in the state, sir. The Haritaram program has been renamed as Vana Mahautsam Mass program by the Congress government. So the outcome budget points are that during the financial year 24-25, 18.97 crore seedlings were planted under Vana Mahautsam. The state has 2 tiger reserves spread over 2,611 square kilometers and 10 wildlife sanctuaries and national park in the state covering an area of 2,634 square kilometers. There is no reference in the outcome budget to the infrastructural development plan launched for the Nehru Zoo Park, Hyderabad, which is among the top 10 zoo park in the country and attracts, sir, 30 lakh visitors annually, sir. 30 lakh, sir. और आपके जरिए सर बड़े ही दर्द के साथ, कर्ब के साथ हुकूमत से इल्तिजा करूंगा। पुलिस कमिश्नर ऑफिस ओल्ड सिटी में था, चले गया। बहुत सारे चीजें चले गए। हाई कोर्ट था, हाई कोर्ट भी चला जा रहा। अब बराए मेहरबानी जानवरों का एक मरकज है, वो तो रहने दो साहब, हम इंसानों के बस्तियों में थोड़े से जानवरों का जू है, कम से कम वो तो रहने दीजिए, उसको तो डेवलप करिए। उस्मानिया दवाखाना सर, वो भी खत्म, गिरने को आ गया। नया बना रहे बोल रहे हैं, नया बना रहे हैं, लेकिन पुराना बिल्डिंग सर, पुराना बिल्डिंग को अगर वक्त पे मेंटेन कर लेते होते तो उसको गिरने की या गिराने की नौबत ना आती। किरण कुमार रेड्डी के दौर में सर, आई रिमेंबर my learned friend Mr. Sridhar Babu was also there with me in that house over there. Sir, when Kiran Kumar Reddy was there, he was, I think, if I'm not wrong, sir, if my memory is right, he was a civil supplies minister then. Sir, if you remember, sir, that time Government of India had given 200 crores for Usmania Hospital, sir. उस वक्त से नेग्लेक्ट करे तो सर अब बोलेंगे कि अकबर ओवैसी is, sounding very communal and giving a communal color, but I'm sorry to say, sir, whatever monuments, structures which has a link or association of Muslim rulers get neglected, and they get so much neglected that it should come in a dilapidated condition, and tomorrow a beautiful reason and justification can be given. If this building is not demolished, it will kill many lives. So let us demolish this building. Sir, why are we not protecting the heritage, sir? Sir, it is not a Muslim heritage. It is not a Hindu heritage. Heritage is a heritage of our nation, of our country, of our state, of our city, sir. Why do you have to name heritage? उस्मानिया भी चला गया। ये जू को सर तवज्जो दीजिए सर, जू इतने टूरिस्ट आते हैं, nobody is giving any importance to the zoo, sir. इतना एक जमाने में सर एशिया का सबसे अच्छा, वर्ल्ड के बेस्ट जूज में से है सर. Sir, I have been to London and I go because my daughter was studying, she is a barrister now. My son is also there, my daughter is there, so I keep going, sir. Sir, I went and I saw, they spoke so much about London Zoo, London Zoo, London Zoo. मैं जाके लंदन का zoo देखा, sir. वो लंदन के zoo हमारे zoo से अगर compare करें तो कुछ भी नहीं है, sir. Nothing, sir. What is there we should protect, sir. तो मैं उम्मीद करूंगा कि एक मीटिंग, सर, मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूं, फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट के लोगों के साथ, हमारे बहादुरपुर के एमएलए, हमारे साथ एक मीटिंग करिए सर, हम और आप जाएंगे सर, जू को देखेंगे सर, जानवरों को देखेंगे, गेस्ट हाउस में एक मीटिंग करेंगे, लंच करेंगे सर, और जाके इंप्रूव कैसे कर सकते हैं, वी कैन सी दैट सर, वी कैन इंप्रूव दैट सर. Sir, there is no reference about the zoo, sir. Sir, at the same time, I request the Minister for Forest and Endowment, Konda Sureka Sahiba, to share the details of the plan for Nehru Zoo Park, for which an allocation of 12 crores has been made in the budget for the current financial year, sir. There has been a speculation for some time that the Nehru Zoo Park will be relocated near Shadnagar. A new zoo park is also being planned on the city outskirts under the Speed, Smart, Proactive, Efficient and Effective Delivery project envisaged by the Chief Minister Revanth Reddy Saab. Sir, I would like to know the details of these proposals to shift Nehru Zoo Park and develop another zoo park on the city outskirts. क्यों बनाना चाह रहे हैं सर? ये अच्छा खासा है ना सर? क्यों नया बनाना चाह रहे हैं? आप जो नया जू बनाना चाह रहे हैं ना सर, वही पैसा कल्याण लक्ष्मी पे खर्च हो, आप शादी मुबारक पे खर्च, आपके 6 गारंटीज पे खर्च हो सर. ये काफी है सर. ये जू, ये ओल्ड सिटी से सर इंसान तो रह नहीं सक रहा है. अब कैसा भी जानवर रह रहे हैं सर, उनको भी लेके चले जाएंगे तो कैसा होगा सर? सर वो तो रहने दीजिए सर, प्लीज. मेरी रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा सर, एट द सेम टाइम, तो वहां पे क्या है मैडम, वहां नहीं है. आप देखिए परसों चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब अच्छा फ्लाईओवर करे ना, वो उसके बाद में पीवी एक्सप्रेस वे है. अगर आप सर बंजारा हिल, जुबली हिल से अगर आप जू को पहुंचना चाहते हैं सर, इट विल टेक 15 to 20 मिनट्स सर. इट्स माय चैलेंज सर, 15 to 20 मिनट्स. तो सिटी एक्सपेंशन के नाम पे क्या आप ओल्ड सिटी से सब कुछ खत्म कर देंगे? खत्म कर देंगे क्या? ये नफरत, ये गुस्सा इस वजह से है कि पुराने शहर में मुसलमान बसते हैं, रहते हैं? क्या इस तरीके के लिए क्या आप सब कुछ छीन लेंगे? जू चला गया, हाईकोर्ट चला गया, उस्मानिया चला गया, पुलिस कमिश्नर ऑफिस चला गया, सब कुछ चला गया सर, सब चला गया तो कैसा होगा सर? सर मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि सर जू को रखिए, उसको इंप्रूव करिए. अब ऐसा करेंगे और थोड़े दिन के बाद बोलेंगे सर जू जाने के बाद क्या बोलेंगे? मैं बोलूंगा सर ना अकबर साहब, सालारजंग म्यूजियम बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है सिटी, और हमारे सीता का बोलेंगे अकबर साहब सालारजंग म्यूजियम भी सिटी एक्सपैंड हो रहा है, उसको हम हाईटेक सिटी लेके चले जाएंगे. कैसा ऐसा होगा सर? कैसा होगा ऐसा बोलो आप? क्यों इतनी नफरत? क्यों इतनी नफरत? मैं कहना चाहता हूं पुराने शहर में, अरे पुराने शहर में हिंदू भी है, मुसलमान भी है, सिख भी है, ईसाई भी है, हर कोई रहते हैं.
मिनिस्टर
Sir, we love